Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find jobs in the BestJobs application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Now you should wait a little bit, and once you're in the home page you can just look at the bottom of your screen and select there the second option, which is a search symbol. And now you should just wait a little bit until the new page loads in. And you can see already some jobs appearing to you. Now most of these jobs are going to be in big cities, and all of the jobs are going to be in your country. And if any of these interest you, you can just press on apply and of course apply for that job. If not, you can just press on reject if you don't want to see these job offerings anymore. And if you want to search up like a specific job, let's say a plumber or something, or an engineer, you can just type that job in the job search bar up there, and you will be able to find that job. Also, if you want to apply any filters, you can just see next to the search bars that three lines, and here you can just apply filters if you want. Like you can apply filters in the domain, in experience, in employment type, in benefits, and everything else. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.